Good morning all of you. I am explain math modules. Python as a built-in module that can be used for mathematical tasks. The math module as a set of methods and consonants. Math.ss of method. The method returns the arcs cosine value of a number. Note: the parameter passed in math.ss of must lie between -1 to 1. Tip: math.ss of -1 will return the value of pi. Syntax: math.ss of x. Example: as import math library. Import math as returns the arcs cosine of a numbers. Print math.ss of 0.55. Print of math.ss of minus 0.55. Print of math.ss of 0. Print of math.ss of 1. Print math.ss of minus 1. Math.seal of method. The method round a number up to the nearest integer if necessary and returns the result. Tip: to round a number down to the nearest integer, look at the math.floor of method. Syntax: math.seal of x. Example: as import math library. Import math as round a number upward to its nearest integer. Print of math.seal of 1.4. Print of math.seal of 5.3. Print of math.seal of minus 5.3. Print of math.seal of 22.6. Print of math.seal of 10. Math.fabs of method. The method returns the absolute value of a number as a float. Absolute denotes a non-negative number. This removes the negative sign of the value if it has any. Unlike Python, abs of method always convert the value of float value. Syntax: math.fabs of x. Example: as import math library. Import math as print absolute value from numbers. Print of math.fabs of minus 66.43. Print of math.fabs of minus 7. Math.factorial of method. The method returns the factorial of a number. Note: this method only accepts positive integers. The factorial of a number is the sum of the multiplications of all the whole numbers from your specified number down to 1. For example, the factorial of 6 would be 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to 120. Syntax: math.factorial of x. Example: as import math library. Import math as returns factorial of a number. Print of math.factorial of 9. Print of math.factorial of 6. Print of math.factorial of 12. Math.floor of method. The method rounds a number down to the nearest integer if necessary and returns the result. Tip: to round a number up to the nearest integer, look at the math.seal of method. Syntax: math.floor of x. Example: as import math library. Import math as round number down to the nearest integer. Print of math.floor of 0.6. Print of math.floor of 1.4. Print of math.floor of 5.3. Print of math.floor of minus 5.3. Print of math.floor of 22.6. Print of math.floor of 10. Math.gcd of method. The method returns the greatest common divisor of two integers, int1 and int2. GCD is the largest common divisor that divides the number without a remainder. GCD is also known as highest common factor HCF. Tip: GCD of 0, 0 returns 0. Syntax: math.gcd of int1, int2. Example: as import math library. Import math as find the greatest common divisor of two integers. Print of math.gcd of 3.6. Print of math.gcd of 6, 12. Print of math.gcd of 12, 36. Print of math.gcd of minus 12, minus 36. Print of math.gcd of 5, 12. Print of math.gcd of 10, 0. Print of math.gcd of 0, 34. Print of math.gcd of 0, 0. Math.foo of method. The method returns the value of x raised to power y. If x is negative and y is not an integer, it returns a value error. This method converts both arguments into a float. Tip: if we use math.power of 1.0 comma x or math.power of x comma 0.0, it will always returns 1 comma 0. Syntax: math.power of x comma y. Example: as import math library, import math as returns the value of 9 raised to the power of 3. Print of math.power of 9.3 output. Math.scotoff method. The method returns the square of a number. Note: the number must be greater than or equal to 0. Syntax: math.scotoff x. Example: as import math library, import math as returns the square root of a different numbers. Print of math.scotoff 9. Print of math.scotoff 25. Print of math.scotoff 16. Math.py consonant. The math.py consonant returns the value of pi. Note: mathematically pi is represented by pi. Example: as import math library, import math as print the value of pi. Print of math.py